Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aparna, your personal coach, helping you upskill yourself to lead the life you desire. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please hit on the red subscribe button on the screen right now and do not forget to press the bell icon so you're notified every week when I post a new video. I've been talking about parenting for the last few weeks and the response has been overwhelming, and so were the questions. While I did speak about very pressing topics with an expert, I wanted to come back to you and share the parenting hacks that I have learned and applied while raising my 13-year-old son. So today I want to talk to you about parenting hacks on raising confident kids. Let's get started. It is no secret that we are perhaps the most overprotective parents a generation can ever get. When I look back at my childhood, I vividly remember the areas where my parents got involved. Not much I can say, except perhaps nagging me to study or snooping around to figure out who am I talking to on the phone or where am I going out and what is the curfew time that I have when I have to get back home. Pretty much that. But we are told as parents we are overprotecting our children, which is probably leading them to low self-confidence issues among few kids. But we have to protect our children, right? That's our job. But we don't want to hinder their self-confidence either. So how do we hit the sweet spot of providing them with the protection as well as giving them enough independence to foster confidence? Well, the first thing you can do is to stop controlling, which means the curiosity to know every single activity that's happening in your child's life and in the enthusiasm to get involved, doing the job for them. The easiest example in this is perhaps the school project. In an enthusiasm to get involved in helping them with the project, you end up doing it all by yourself. It's doing the project for them versus doing with them. Now, doing things with them will help them with the how, and that builds confidence. This means that as parents, we need to manage our own anxiety and let go our need to control. The second thing you need to do is to stop evaluating. And by evaluating, I mean interrogating every single thing as if they've committed a crime. Looking intently at every single activity that they do with the need to improve them. Know this. Constant intervention undermines child's confidence, and this obviously hinders the self-learning. So curb your enthusiasm and let your child be. The third thing you can do is to give responsibility. When you give the child responsibility, it sends them a message that you trust them. Similarly, when your child fulfills the responsibility, it gives them the sense of self-worth, which obviously boosts the self-confidence. They feel good that they are contributing and are the integral part of the family. But suppose they fail to fulfill the responsibilities, then you must let them fail. Failure teaches resilience, but this only happens when you as a parent treat failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Sure, you will have setbacks and criticism and pain, but teach your kids that it's okay to have them and that these hurdles are precious learning experiences that are helping them grow. While on failing, always remember to never criticize. Remember, you're building confidence and resilience within your kids. So stop using sentences such as, "Oh, you're doing it wrong," or "That's not the way to do it," or "I told you so." Instead, try asking engaging questions that will move them forward. Sentences such as, "What are you going to do about it now? That doesn't seem to be working. Is there any other way to do it?" Or something as simplistic as, "Do you need my help?" Criticism hinders self-confidence, so avoid it by all means. And most importantly, avoid it in front of anyone else. And last but by no means least, teach positive self-talk. Basically, use positive reinforcement words that can help boost confidence. Teach them that everything need not be negative. There is a positive side of life. Teach them the value of converting negative statements into positive statements. That will perhaps help them overcome their toughest challenges going forward. These positive words could be the words of encouragement or appreciation of strengths that they have. The more you use these words, the more confidence your child will become. That's about it. These 6 ways are just the beginning steps to increase confidence in your kids. Remember, raising confident kids is all about taking one step at a time. It's not just about what you do with them, but also what you demonstrate as a parent. Think about your own attitudes and behaviors that you're demonstrating and make an effort to show the same level of confidence that you want to see in your children. Well, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video resourceful. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. And of course, do share it with your family and friends and all those parents who may make use of it. I'll see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.